Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the schedule on the ESPN application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the watch button down below, which is the third option, and then tap on the calendar button next to the watch and settings buttons at the top of the screen. Now you should wait a few seconds till it loads, but after that you will be able to see the upcoming matches. So here you can select upcoming at the top. You can narrow down the schedule according to sports, so tap on all sports, and here you can select your favorite one that you are interested in, and you can also set the networks as well, and here you can see the schedules. At the top you can also see or check out the lives and the replays as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.